Hello and welcome to Affinity. Here's a really quick way of doing a pencil pastel sketch. So I hit Ctrl J to duplicate the layer, then filters, detect and detect edges to detect it. Then I want to invert it, so that's Ctrl I. Now I've got some edging here and I'm going to blend this into the background. So I'm going to go to normal and down to pin light. And there we go, we've got the background kind of coming through. We could leave it at that, or we could do a bit more. Maybe if we go to the background and go to vibrance there, I can turn up here. You can turn up the saturation quite a long way and it gradually starts to come through. I'll just turn that down again for the moment because I'm going to go to the top layer, and I can also turn this down to start to bring colour back. Round about halfway is looking kind of nice. Let's go back to this vibrance now and see what happens when we turn up the saturation. See, we've got the pastels coming through a lot more there. That's with saturation turned right up. You can even put a bit more vibrance in to pull in a few more colours. There we go. That was pretty quick, wasn't it? And hope that was interesting, and thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.